Alright, Jose from my audio marketplace, and I'm gonna do the second video so that way I missed yesterday. I got tied up with a lot of things at work and just it was exhausted with everything going on, just mentally exhausted. So I literally basically just came home, went straight to bed, and then yeah, so no excuse. Should have got something, at least something done, but it was a long day at work. So today, getting everything ready for tomorrow's podcast, or live stream I should say. So I did a test today at work with Mr. Different. Today, or earlier at work, I did a test. Now that I'm at home, I'm actually going to create basically an OBS layout. So you might hear my kids in the background. I apologize in advance. It is my family. So I am bringing this over here. I'm laying this out right now. Learning OBS. Something new. I need to make a background, so I added basically both my monitors. So this is my second monitor. This is my main monitor. This is my Logitech camera. So what you do is you create a scene. So you hit a plus sign, type it in, whatever you want to name it, to create a scene. Then you click here to add your sources. So I wanted to add my screen, so I click the plus sign. I believe it's display capture. Then you name it to what you want, hit OK, and then you select how, it knows like how many displays you have. So that's the main one. That's the second one. I'm not going to add it because I already have it. I added both my FaceTime and my Logitech. I gotta delete this now. So now I'm just gonna build a background. So I am going to use Snappa. I might actually use something else because I am out of free downloads from Snappa, which I get it. They want you to use it. So let me close this. So I needed the size for 1080p. So let's see what we can do. So I actually measured that, and I believe that size was 522 by 3 something. Okay, so I need to add a shape. Let's go with the rectangle. I don't know how well this is going to work, so I'm just going to create something first. Might need to make this a little bit smaller. What if we can just duplicate? Let's try that once. Oh, you can. Awesome. Now they're the same size. Actually, you can probably make it a little bit smaller. I don't know how much smaller. Actually, no. Go right there. Okay, and now I have my image in the middle here. Then I want to do is text. Actually, I want to do logos. So it would be graphics uploaded. Okay. Let's see if I can change some of the background. No, that is a definitely no. That's way too noisy. Everything's too noisy. Nope, that wouldn't work. So that's gonna work. Alright, so now I want to see if I can actually, because I can't download it. Probably could have just made this in Infinity Pro, or I could have made it in Snake it as or yeah, Snake or Canva, sorry, Canva. Okay, so now let's see if I can get this background image, see how it works. Upload image. Okay, browse. Okay, where is it? All right. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna drag this all the way to the bottom. Okay. So I just want to fill that up a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Kind of probably can do that to make it look like a shadow underneath. That's kind of cool. Alright, that's pretty much it. So now I have my OBS like background. I'm just guessing how to do all this stuff, so I'm learning as I go. Figure make this video kind of see like what to do and how to do it, and it's not that easy. Just gotta, you know, jump in and just do it and figure it out as you go. So this is gonna be a short video. I gotta do a few tests on my YouTube settings. That's gonna be next. I don't know about make a video on that just because it might just be useless and pointless. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.